All right, and we're live. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays. Couldn't get the show done earlier, so we are doing it once again from the airport. I am off to Cape Town, South Africa. My first time down in those regions, so should be a lot of fun. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be staying in Africa. Uh, I might stay there for up to 5 weeks, going to several countries. I'll probably figure it out once I get there. Let's take a look at what the charts have been doing, and then my next stream will probably be in about at least 24 hours from now because it's going to be a long journey. Hey guys, if you want to support this channel, please check out the affiliate page of tonevays.com. Of course, the upcoming events are the Financial Summit in the Dominican Republic, April 19 to 25, and Understanding Bitcoin, May 28 to 31. Let's go over to Bitcoin and take a look. The weekly chart is about to roll over. It is probably about an hour and a half away from rolling over. I will not be on the internet when it happens. I will be on my flight. And the next candle is going to be very interesting. As you can see, Bitcoin is sitting at a triple support level on a weekly scale. You have the short-term moving average, which I'm still not sure which is best. I've used 20, I've used 19, I've used 25, I've used 7. Someone keeps trying to convince me that 19 is a good moving average. I don't know. Either way, you're stuck at double support. And if it breaks this double support, as you can see, there's no other support. This is not really support. This is, I don't really consider this a useful head and shoulders going on, or inverse, even if it happens. That's not really support. I'm not really sure why this line is there. It really doesn't belong there anymore. So there's really no real support until maybe this Fibonacci line, and that's still a stretch. And I'm really curious where the next stop and reverse point is going to be, probably pretty high. So this is not good. The good news is that it's only a one candle, and we may not hit another one, right? So this could be it, but unlikely. We have to go to the daily chart and go from there. All we can say about this weekly candle is that it's going to close very poorly in about an hour and a half. And I wouldn't rush into a short quite yet. This is not a good condition for me to short, but I'm probably more pessimistic than the majority of the people. I'm working with my monitor here. It'll be hard for me to keep an eye on your live chat. I'll glance right now and see what's going on. Oh, weekly close in 20 minutes. I may still be here, though I doubt it. All right, here's the daily chart. The daily chart was looking good early in the day, was looking horrible later in the day, and is looking totally neutral right now with this doji candle. Now, the daily chart is at a 6 of 9. So I remain bearish daily chart. I see that it's, I do see that it's bouncing off of support, which is a good sign. But I'm going to trust the sequential, and it is possible that we can get to a 9 and then rebound. So right now, I remain generally bearish the daily chart. We also crossed below the 200-day moving average. This line doesn't really matter anymore, so I can delete that. And this doesn't matter anymore, so I can delete that. Obviously, this green arrow is irrelevant. And I'll probably be bringing back these red arrows if we cross to a brand new low. I should probably take one of these lines and stick it right there, because that is the danger line. That is your danger line right here. We draw a best fit line, the one that touches the most candles without breaking any of the bodies. And if we make it to a 9 over the next 3 days, we then have a 1 to 4 candle correction. back to this $8,700 area in the 200-day moving average. And if we then turn and break below this line, Bitcoin could potentially be in a bit of trouble. So let's take a look. So this is what I'm looking at basically. That's it. I have to keep this video short. I'm just going to take a look at the S&P 500. We didn't open like I wanted. Didn't open like I wanted. And but it's still the futures market. Anything can still happen. Let's see how it goes. There was positive news that the corona virus vaccine is very close to fruition. So we will see. So both of the things that people were complaining about in my last stream, let me see if I can get that article out. I'm trying to find the article without doxing anything. Anyway, I'll have to, maybe I'll tweet the article out, but there was an article saying that a few weeks away from potential vaccine, which goes for both, me saying that over the weekend, I expect positive news, and that the vaccine is actually a lot sooner than a lot of people expect. And the thing is, the vaccine doesn't actually have to show up in a couple of weeks. All we need is positive sentiment that the vaccine's coming, even if it's coming in like a year. And that's enough to reverse the market. I still believe that the low is in. We're going to get to a 9 and we're going to rebound. Remember, the Dow is already at a 9. So I just wanted to really see this open. I was confident in the close in about 12 hours, maybe a little more, in about 15 hours. Around the time I'm landing in South Africa, the stock market will open, and I will keep an eye on my position. Because if my position goes lower than this, I will have to exit that position. I will have absolutely no choice, and I will lose approximately 1%. So that's what it's like to go in with very low leverage. All right, that's it for me, guys. This is going to be a very short stream. For the health and comfort of the traveling public, all terminals are smoke-free. Smoking is permitted at designated curbside areas only. Por la salud y la comodidad del público viajero, no se permite fumar dentro de las terminales. I'm looking at your live chat, guys. Yeah, I'm sure the CME has a 9, the Dow has a 9. There's oh, the CME on Bitcoin. The CME on Bitcoin doesn't matter. It doesn't trade on a weekend. Vaccine will take a year. That's fine, as long as people know it's coming. I don't give trading advice, guys. I only tell you what I'm doing. You should be doing whatever it is you want to be doing. All right, guys, that's it. I got to go boarding soon. So we will go ahead and wrap this up. Don't forget the financial summit in the Dominican Republic, 19 to 25. I mean, look, I'm flying to Cape Town. The plane is almost full. The plane is virtually full. People are still flying. The airports are pretty packed. It's not that much of a concern. Understanding Bitcoin in Malta, still planning on doing it. Again, not scared of this virus. And if you want to support the channel, please check out the affiliates page. Also, check out the merch store. Got some cool stuff here. We're selling coffee now and other unconfiscatable cool stuff. All right, guys, that's it for me. Time to say goodbye to you all. and I will see you on the next one from Cape Town. Later, guys.